Good morning, students. Welcome you all. Today we will continue the chapter nouns. In the previous class, we read about proper noun and common noun. So let's recap the subtopics which we read in the previous class. You know that proper noun is the proper name, particular name given to places, person, places, animals or things. Suppose that person name Mahatma Gandhi, particular name Delhi, particular name of place, things Usha fan, Ambuja cement, the names of things. Understand? So in this way, particular name given to particular person or thing. Next we discussed in the previous class about common noun. Common noun is a noun, common name given to common person, places, animals or things. Suppose that common name will be boy, teacher, school. Common name of person will be teacher, boy, girl. This will be the common name of person. Understand? Place, school, bus stand, hospital. Understand? City, the common name of place, things, fan. Understand? Chalk, duster, common name given to people, places or things, person, places or things. Now here in this class we will discuss about what collective noun. Collective noun shows collection of things, and collective noun also indicates shows groups of people. These are the names of groups of people, animals or things. Understand? In this, you know that these are the names of groups of people, animals or things. So collection of things we use here. So you know that crowd, army, committee, flock, bunch. Often a certain word, collective noun, is used with certain kinds of people, animals or things. So collective noun, the word that will show collection, such type of word will be used to show collection. Understand? Here are some words that are given. Crowd is also indicate about group. Army indicates group. Committee also indicates groups. Flock indicating group. Bunch indicating collection. Understand? So such type of words, such type of noun, collective noun will be used that will indicate about what? Groups of people, animals or things. Now see the examples. A band of musicians. The word band is here collective noun. It will denote, it will tell about what? About musicians, a group of musicians. For a group of musicians we will use a band. A flock of sheep. A flock means group of sheep. For that we will use the word flock. The next one is bunch. The bunch word will here show collection of grapes. Understand? Bunch of grapes. Here you know that a soul of fish. You know that we use the word a soul of a fish. The word soul will be used here for fish. Understand? For group. A string of bits are wholes. The word string will denote what? Collection. A swarm of bees. It will denote a group of bees. So you know that in collective noun we use the word which will denote collection or group of people. We will see the another examples from the chapter. Now dear student, we will see the another examples, a set of tools. For set of tools we will use here state word to denote collection. A pride of lions. A bench of director, the word bench will denote the group of judges. A herd of cows, buffaloes, deer. We use the word herd to show here what? To show group. A gang of robbers, gang of thieves. We can also use a gang of, we can also use a gang of prisoners. Understand? So we use such type of words which will denote group, collection. So I hope that you have understood the chapter clearly. Afterward, we will discuss the remaining subtopic from the chapter, and that will be the last subtopic from the chapter. Afterward, we will do the exercise from the chapter. So I hope that you have understood all these clearly. Thanks for watching video. Thank you.